Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of emergency preparedness, the bug out bag. When disaster strikes and you need to evacuate fast, having a well-prepared bug out bag can be the difference between safety and chaos. Stick around because I guarantee there's some items on this list that you may not have considered. This video is going to include a large list of items that could go into a bug out bag, but I do realize that most of us won't need every single item on this list. Customize your bag to fit what you will most likely need based on your environment and individual needs. I wanted to make this video a reference guide or a checklist for your convenience, something you can come back to anytime you're building out your personal bug out bag. As always, I'll provide a full list of items mentioned in this video with links in the description, as well as timestamps for you to jump to any section of the video. If you get value out of this video, consider joining our growing community by hitting that subscribe button. Also, feel free to comment and reply to our awesome members in the comment section. Let's get started. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about the bag itself. Your bug out bag needs to be durable, comfortable, and big enough to carry all your essentials without weighing you down. You don't need to spend a fortune. A solid, reliable backpack that fits your needs is what matters most. Avoid using a flimsy school backpack, but don't feel pressure to buy a top-tier military pack unless that's what you really need. Focus on finding a bag that suits your environment, the weight you're comfortable carrying, and your budget. Water is the most critical resource in any survival situation. Ensuring you have enough to stay hydrated, along with the means to purify more, is essential. Make sure to carry at least 2 to 3 liters of water per person per day. Water bottles are vital to have enough water to keep you going until you can find a safe and reliable water source. Collapsible water containers are lightweight and can be packed easily when not in use. These containers are perfect for storing additional water once you reach your bug out location or find a water source. Water purification tablets are essential for treating water from natural sources. They kill harmful bacteria and viruses, making water safe to drink. A portable water filter like the Sawyer Mini or a Life Straw is crucial for removing contaminants from water on the go. These filters are lightweight, easy to use, and can filter thousands of gallons of water. A metal pot allows you to boil water to purify it if necessary. It's also useful for cooking food and can double as a sturdy container for carrying water. Keeping your energy levels up is crucial in a survival situation. Packing high-calorie, easy-to-prepare food ensures you stay nourished while on the move. High-calorie energy bars are compact, lightweight, and packed with calories. These bars provide a quick energy boost when you need it most. Freeze-dried meals are lightweight and have a long shelf life. Just add water to these meals to enjoy a hot meal even in the middle of nowhere. MREs are a staple for preppers. These ready-to-eat meals don't require cooking, making them perfect for emergency situations. Trail mix, nuts, and dried fruits are nutrient-dense and easy to carry. These snacks are perfect for keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. Instant oatmeal is quick and easy to prepare, requiring only hot water. It's a great option for an easy and filling breakfast. A multivitamin ensures that you're getting all the essential nutrients you need, especially when your diet is limited during an emergency. A small fishing kit is handy if you're in an area with abundant water sources. It's a good backup for sourcing food in the wild, allowing you to catch fish for sustenance. Small game traps can be useful in a survival situation for catching food. Make sure to know how to use them effectively and responsibly. Protecting yourself from the elements is critical for survival. Having the right gear to create shelter and stay warm is a top priority. A lightweight tent provides immediate shelter from the elements. Make sure it's easy to set up quickly and durable enough to withstand weather conditions you might face. A tarp is a versatile tool that can be used for shelter, ground cover, or even as a makeshift stretcher. It's lightweight and can be set up in various configurations to suit your needs. Emergency mylar blankets are compact and retain up to 90% of your body heat. They are essential for staying warm in cold conditions and are lightweight enough to carry multiple. A bivy sack offers more protection than a mylar blanket, providing a small enclosed shelter that helps retain heat and keeps you dry in wet and windy conditions. A good sleeping bag, rated for the appropriate temperatures, can keep you warm in cold weather. Make sure your sleeping bag matches your temperatures you might encounter. A sleeping pad adds a layer of insulation between you and the ground, making for a warmer and more comfortable night's sleep. An inflatable mat may also serve this purpose while being lightweight and easy to pack. A poncho is a practical and lightweight option for staying dry. It can also be used as an additional layer of protection over your gear, ensuring both you and your essentials stay dry in the rain. An umbrella offers a quick protection from rain and can easily be deployed or packed away. While not as robust as a poncho, it's a useful addition for short-term exposure to rain. Pack extra clothing, including warm layers, socks, and underwear. Staying warm and dry with extra clothing is essential for your health and comfort. Gloves are essential for keeping your hands warm and protected from the elements. They also provide protection when handling rough materials, setting up shelters, or performing other tasks that require a firm grip in cold conditions. Hand warmers are a simple yet effective way to keep your hands warm in freezing temperatures. They can be easily activated and placed inside gloves or pockets, providing additional warmth when you need it the most. Sunglasses protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and glare, which can be particularly intense in survival situations. They are also useful in snowy or desert environments where reflections can cause eye strain. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Prolonged exposure to the sun without protection can lead to sunburn, heat exhaustion, or more severe conditions. A hat is essential for protecting your head from the sun, cold, and rain. It can help regulate your body temperature and provide shade in hot climates, making it a versatile and lightweight addition to your bug-out bag. Being able to start a fire is a fundamental survival skill. Fire provides warmth, light, and the ability to cook food or purify water. Waterproof matches are reliable even in wet conditions. Always carry these waterproof matches in a secure, dry location within your bag. Always carry multiple lighters. Lighters are easy to use and a reliable way to start a fire quickly in any situation. A good fire starting tool is crucial for igniting a fire quickly, even in adverse conditions. Tools like a ferro rod, magnesium, or fire steel are reliable and effective, providing sparks that can ignite tinder and start a fire even when the weather is challenging. Fire starting materials like tinder, fire starter cubes, or wooden fire starter sticks are essential for catching the sparks from your fire starting tool. These materials help ensure your fire starts quickly and burns steadily, especially when natural tinder is scarce or damp. A small stove with fuel can be very useful for cooking and boiling water. Make sure to have enough fuel to last several days, especially in areas where starting a fire might not be practical or safe. A biofuel stove offers an eco-friendly option, using natural materials like twigs, leaves, and other organic matter as fuel. It's a great backup or alternative to traditional stoves, especially when you're in an environment with abundant natural resources. The right tools and equipment can make all the difference in a survival scenario. Be sure to pack versatile and reliable gear. A multi-tool or survival knife is an indispensable piece of gear, useful for everything from cutting rope to preparing food. Make sure your multi-tool is durable and suited for your needs. A folding saw is an excellent tool for cutting through thicker branches and smaller trees, making it easier to build shelters or gather firewood. It's sturdy, efficient, and packs down small. A wire saw is a lightweight and compact option for cutting through smaller branches and limbs. It's less bulky than a folding saw and can be an effective backup for a light cutting task. Duct tape is versatile and can be used for repairs, building shelters, or even making splints. A small roll of duct tape should always be in your kit for quick fixes. Paracord is strong and versatile. Use paracord for tying down tarps, creating snares, or even making a makeshift belt or harness. A small shovel is useful for digging fire pits or a toilet. It can also be used to clear an area for your shelter, making it a versatile tool for various survival tasks. Heavy-duty gloves protect your hands during tough tasks. These gloves are essential for handling hot items, sharp objects, or rough materials, ensuring you stay safe while working in harsh conditions. A compass is essential for navigation, helping you determine direction and stay on course even when visibility is poor or landmarks are few. A detailed map of your area is crucial for understanding your surroundings and planning routes. Paired with a compass, a map becomes an indispensable tool for navigation. A signal mirror is an essential tool for signaling your location to rescuers over long distances. Its reflective surface can be used to catch the attention of aircraft or people far away. A whistle is a simple but effective way to signal for help, especially in low visibility situations like fog or darkness. Its sound carries farther than your voice, making it a crucial tool for emergencies. A flashlight is essential for visibility at night or in dark conditions. Make sure to pack extra batteries to ensure it stays functional when you need it the most. A headlamp provides hands-free lighting, which is invaluable when you need to keep your hands free for tasks like setting up shelter, cooking, or navigating in the dark. Pack extra batteries to ensure it's ready when you are. Glow sticks provide light without draining batteries. Glow sticks are also useful for signaling or marking a location in low light conditions. A portable solar panel is perfect for keeping your electronics charged when you're off the grid. Ensure your solar panel is lightweight and durable. A GPS device can be incredibly useful in unfamiliar terrain. Pack extra batteries to ensure you stay on track even in the wilderness. Binoculars can be useful for scouting your surroundings and spotting potential threats or resources from the distance. Make sure they're compact and lightweight for easy carrying. Ziploc bags are great for organizing and protecting your gear. Use these bags to keep small items dry and secure. A small, lightweight survival guide is a valuable resource that provides tips and instructions for various survival situations. It's easy to carry and can offer vital information when you need it the most. Maintaining your health is critical during an emergency. A well-stocked first aid kit and hygiene items can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Your first aid kit should include bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications you need. A comprehensive first aid kit is essential for treating injuries and managing health issues in the field. For a detailed guide on building the perfect first aid kit, check out our dedicated video linked in the description. Don't forget to pack any prescription medications you or your family members need. Make sure you have at least a week's supply of personal medications to cover emergencies. Pain relievers are essential for managing pain, reducing fever, and relieving inflammation. Pack enough ibuprofen, Tylenol, or aspirin to cover a range of common ailments. Antihistamines are crucial for managing allergic reactions. If you or anyone in the group has allergies, make sure to pack these allergy medications. Diarrhea can quickly lead to dehydration in a survival situation. Antidiarrheal medication like Imodium can help manage this condition effectively. Hand sanitizer is essential for quick, waterless cleaning when you're on the move. It's a convenient way to disinfect your hands before eating, treating wounds, or handling gear, especially when soap and water aren't readily available. Soap is crucial for more thorough cleaning when you have access to water. It's effective for washing your hands, body, and even utensils or gear, helping to prevent the spread of germs and maintain overall hygiene in a survival situation. Dental hygiene is just as important as personal hygiene. Pack a toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss to maintain your oral health. Wet wipes are a great and convenient way to clean up when water is scarce. They're great for maintaining hygiene in challenging conditions, helping you stay fresh and comfortable on the go. If you or someone in your group needs them, be sure to pack enough feminine hygiene products for at least a week. These items are critical for maintaining personal comfort and hygiene. A small sewing kit is invaluable for repairing clothing or gear in the field. It can also be used for medical purposes like stitching wounds in an emergency. Insects can be more than just a nuisance, they can carry diseases. Insect repellent keeps them at bay and helps protect you from bites. Playing cards are a simple and lightweight way to keep morale high during downtime. They offer a mental break and can be used for various games, helping to reduce stress in challenging situations. Personal safety is a top priority in any emergency situation. Having the right tools for defense can help protect you and your loved ones. Pepper spray is a non-lethal option for personal defense. It's easy to use and can provide protection in various situations. A taser is a lightweight, non-lethal self-defense option that's effective at close range. It can incapacitate a potential threat without causing permanent harm, giving you time to escape or gain control of the situation. Depending on your comfort level and local laws, consider carrying a self-defense weapon for added protection. Make sure you're well trained and know how to use it safely and effectively. Staying connected and informed is crucial in an emergency. These communication tools and important documents can help you stay in touch with the outside world and be prepared for any situation. A hand crank or solar-powered radio keeps you informed when the power is out. Make sure it has access to NOAA weather channels and can receive emergency broadcasts. Keeping your phone charged is essential for communication. A power bank ensures you can stay connected even off the grid. We covered solar chargers earlier in the video, and having a reliable power bank is a practical backup that's easy to carry. A notepad and pencil can be used to jot down important information or leave messages for others. They're simple but very useful tools in a survival situation. Cash can be crucial in an emergency, especially if electronic payments aren't working. Carry small denominations for easy transactions. Store important documents like IDs, insurance papers, and emergency contacts in a waterproof container. This ensures they stay safe and dry even in wet conditions. With these essentials in your bug-out bag, you'll be ready to face any challenges that may come your way in case you have to evacuate. I'd love to hear from you what you would put in your bug-out bag. Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others that would benefit. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and receive weekly tips on emergency preparedness. Stay safe and keep prepping.